up, guys? It is Easton here. Today I'm going to be showing you how good I can burp. And I'm trying to do this because on Homebound Sick, Ethan's channel, go check it out. Here's how you spell it. H-O-U-N-D-B. Wait. Okay. H-O-M-E-B-O-U-N-D-S-C. Okay. And go check that out. Has 109 views, I think. And this video is sponsored by Homebound Sick. So, Ethan, if you watch this channel, I just want to congratulate you because you have a good amount of views in a good couple of days because we only get like 40 or something. But you got 109, so congrats to you, Ethan. So, burp time! Okay, now I'm going to do lots of fun burping stuff. Okay, first, now watch me. Watch me. Now watch me. Watch me. Oh, watch me. Watch me. Ooh, watch me. Watch me. Ooh, watch me. Watch me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Do that. Do that. Now break your leg. Okay, next thing. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. What else should I do? Ooh. Guys, did y'all hear that? That was creepy. Ah! It's Pennywise! That's right, Easton. Well, he's dead. I'm a fan. I'm a big fan of Easton E2's. Easton, what happened? Are you okay, Easton? Are you okay? He's not speaking. Ah! I didn't want to come across this. Ah! Okay, guys, I'm back. I did not like that. I tricked Pennywise. I wasn't actually dead or passed out. Well, he's gonna be now! Whoop! Whoop! Okay, literally, he just escaped. Where did he go? What? Hi, Pennywise! Ah! I defeated him. Oh, hey, I'm a fan. I'm a big fan of your channel, Easton. Yeah. Well, okay, back to the burp contest. Well, guys, I think that was all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. It was shorter than I expected. It might be going on for a little bit longer while I'm all saying this stuff. Also that, and Pennywise is dead. He's right over there. And yeah, he's dead. So, bye-bye. I love all you fans. Bye.